Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about um, the marketing system that I came across. It's called the Infinity Processing System, right? And it'll show you how to become your own boss, right? And then learn our $300 a day blueprint just simply by posting ads, written ads on social media, and also posting YouTube videos like I'm doing now. Right. And with the system, I have my own personal branded marketing page, but you also could do marketing your own branding by creating a capture page so you could get your own leads as well too. And I'm gonna be making a video about that as well too, so you don't lose potential leads and sales. All right, how does it work? All right, step one, just simply get started. Join on one of the levels to get access to your products and step-by-step digital training. Step two, you're gonna post ads on social media. And step three, of course, you're gonna get paid. All right. Now I'm gonna go over a couple things, the different levels. So on the first level is the starter level. You pay $50 and then a one-time $25 admin website fee to get your personal branded website. And then what do you get at the $50 level? Well, first you can only earn $50 per commission on that level. So I do recommend if you can get in at a higher level, but if you can't, then that's fine too. You could always work your way up. Get 30 marketing ads plus 20 bonus image ads. Get the winning mindset formula, right? 7-day success action plan. You also could join the Facebook marketing strategy group. You could join 30 different Facebook groups for work from home. You get a Craigslist marketing strategy and how to market on Craigslist. All right, and then you get on the $150 level, you get the one-time $25 admin website fee, right? And what products do you get? So you'll be able to earn $150 and $50 commissions on this level. You get 150. Oh, sorry. You get 100 pre-written ads plus 40 bonus image ads. You get the winning mindset formula, the art of persuasion, influence, and 7-day success action plan. You get six-figure closing script, Facebook marketing strategy, 60 Facebook groups. You get Craigslist marketing strategy. You get the Facebook support group, YouTube mastery training. It'll show you how to search for keywords and stuff like that. A little bit in the tell you a little bit more about that in another video. And the Instagram marketing strategy, how to create your six-figure sales funnel, right? And then at the pro level, which is the $300 level, you get a one-time $25 admin website. You got to pay for a fee of $25, right? And highly recommended. You get paid on all levels. Okay, you'll be able to earn $300, $150, and $50 commissions. You get 200 pre-written ads plus 60 bonus image ads. You get the winning mindset formula, the art of persuasion and influence. You get a 7-day success action plan, six-figure closing script, Facebook marketing strategy, 100 Facebook groups, Craigslist marketing strategy. You get the Facebook support group, YouTube mastery, the Instagram marketing strategy, how to create your six-figure empire sales funnel, a 30 email follow-up to close your sales on autopilot, and TikTok marketing strategy as well. And you get access to our VIP training live chat. All right, and here's a more in-depth look at the compensation plan for the $50 level. So in order to get $300 per day, you would need three three sales for $150 per day. And let's see daily income. So in order to get $400 per day, you need eight. So I tell you how easy that is once you start upgrading. So To get $300 a day here, or even 450, you get three. You need three sales to get $300 per day. You only need two sales. All right, and then of course the $300 level, you just need one sale, of course, to get $300. But people have been getting more sales than that when they upgrade to the $300 pro level. All right, now if you are interested in getting ready to get started, go ahead and click the link below. And thank you for being on my channel.